Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Lechon Sisig. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, scallion, hot chili, pork rind or citron. We got mayonnaise, salt and pepper, olive oil, soy sauce, fish sauce, and butter. We will saute this, and we're gonna mix the ingredients soon. Let's get started. In a hot pan, we're gonna put our olive oil. All right, and put our onion. Garlic, we're going to saute this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. We'll put a little of fish sauce, like a teaspoon of fish sauce. Now this is the time to put our lechon kawali chopped in small pieces. Okay, and then we'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We'll saute this for 2 minutes and we'll be right back. I added the mayonnaise already. I think we need some more. Okay. All right. Our sisig is done. Here's our finished product. Lechon Sisig. Please share this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel to see the future videos. Thank you and have a nice day.